So yeah guys, so I'm here in Turkey, Istanbul, with the Caymaz. Yeah, I thought I'd come out here to fix this up, man. You know, I've always had like a receding hairline for years, and yeah, I got sort of fed up with it, and I thought, you know, it's about time to do something about it. I heard quite a lot of good things about guys coming out here and getting it done, so I thought, you know what, we'll put the blogs and just get it done really. So I did quite a lot of research. There's quite a lot of a clinic out here in Istanbul, so I did a lot of research, and I came across Dr. Caymaz and this YouTuber guy who literally been out here, got it done here with him. So I followed his process, and the results were quite unreal, with a really good result. So I thought, you know what, I made up my mind and I'm gonna go ahead and get it done. So yeah, here we are, man. So you know, it's about to start, and I'm excited, man. I'm buzzing, and hopefully get some amazing results, really. So.